I drool sometimes too. Do I have drool on my face right now? No? Okay, thank you. We're good friends. Anyway, hi everybody, welcome. Welcome. Hey, remember during the cruise to remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children, okay? Because you guys know who's watching, right? Santa. Wow, that was such an easy question. You guys already are failing. Santa's always watching you guys. That girl in the back. Naughty list. Noted. All right, we are clear. So let's get this thing underwater. Do me a favor, pick up your hands. Wave goodbye to all of those nice people on the dock. Don't be rude. Let's wave goodbye to the naughty people that are still in line. Bye, you guys. Only 2 more hours. You got this. I'm just kidding. It's probably 3. I don't care. I'm on the naughty list, too. Well, welcome aboard the world-famous Jingle Cruise. Who's ready for some good old-fashioned fun? Half of the boat. Okay, the other half, what are you doing here? Anyway, my name is Brittany. I'm going to be your skipper, guide, tree trimmer, popcorn stringer, gift wrapper, secret Santa. I wasn't supposed to tell you that last part, all right? But anyway, hey, look at this. We're starting our journey in the Amazon rainforest. On either side of the boat, you're going to see these ginormous bugs. We refer to those as humbugs. Yeah, they are not butterflies, they are humbugs. Now, if you guys listen closely, you can actually hear their call, so go ahead and give a listen. Ah! Just as I suspected, they were about humbugs. What do you know? What are you standing up for, you wild animal? All right, well, do you guys know why Santa loves the Amazon so much? Say no, why?
Oh, why?
Wow, thank you so much for asking. That was very unexpected. It's because he loves rain. Deer. Santa loves reindeer. Do you get that? Why aren't you laughing? All right, well, anyway, we're now going on to the Congo River in Central Africa. You want to look on both sides of the boat in the water? Go ahead and take a look in the water for a second. You're going to see absolutely nothing. There's nothing. You can just give up now. Now, it's normally home to tons of piranhas, but they've actually all gone home to celebrate their holiday Piranha. Is anybody else celebrating the Festival of Bites? Yeah, happy Piranha. They'll be back in like 8 nights or so, okay? Sorry about your timing. What are you guys pointing at? Oh, I know. Somebody got me an old tree for Christmas. I'm so excited. I can tell that's mine because it's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Yeah, it's very well done, too. It was probably done at our gift wrapping department. It's right across the way. Now, a lot of people are confused as to why we hired gorillas to do our gift wrapping for us, but as you can tell, their turnover is fantastic, isn't it? It is. They make it look really appealing, too. That was a banana joke. Anyway, we're now on the Nile River in Africa. It's the longest river in the world. It goes on for over 4,000 miles, which is like Niles, and with this crew, it's going to feel like an eternity. Oh my gosh. Anyway, over here is an African bull elephant. He is the second most feared animal of our jungle. He's trying to prove it right now, but he's got such a friendly face. However, across the way, we do have the most feared animal. That's his mother-in-law. She's known to show up anytime before Thanksgiving, and she's staying through the new year. Anyway, this over here is really important. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. If you don't get that, I don't get you. But now we're at the African Belt. It's where all of the animals come together to celebrate the holidays like one big happy family. Over here, you'll see a pride of lions enjoying their Thanksgiving feast. Zebra on the rocks. That's an awful lot of cranberry sauce. Wow. Or you know what, kids? He could be pretending to sleep, you know, to avoid conversation with extended family. There's a helpful holiday tip. And, whoa, that's the North Pole, isn't it? That's the part where you're supposed to correct me. Oh, it isn't! Oh, thank you so much. Shows you what rhino. I do know those hyenas over there, those are called elf hyenas. That's right. Most people just refer to them by their nickname, Santa's little yelpers.
Yeah.
Cute little things, they just don't shut up. But we just entered crocodile country. I know it's the season of giving, but no handouts, okay? Now here's its residence for you. Old Smiley, his girlfriend Ginger. Just be careful, Ginger snaps. The cookie joke. Sorry, I'm just trying to milk it for all it's worth. I know it's crummy. Alright, but anyway, just behind me is the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. We're going to go around it, okay? I am a professional. Keeping you nice and dry, just like my sense of humor. Thank you so much for leaning in. That really made the difference. Thank you. It's the hero that we don't deserve, ladies and gentlemen. But the Jungle Aviation Company is already having their Black Friday sale. It's half off a plane. That's pretty good. You might want to get that deal before it flies by, okay? I know it can't fly, you guys. It's another expression. Come on, get with the program. And hippos. Oh, hungry hippos. I see what they did there. That's not what I meant when I put that on my Christmas list. What are you doing standing up now? You lunatic. What's going on? It's absolute mayhem on this boat today. Anyway, we're totally fine. Just nobody make any sentence sounds like a marble, okay? That'll be the end for us. Oh, but we are not out of the woods just yet. Because we're surrounded by trees. It's like a Splinter Wonderland, you guys. Look out. But it is home to some of our favorite holiday characters. Check this out. We've got Dancer and Prancer. Look at them go. Look at them go. You guys, it's supposed to be 12 drummers drumming. We hired 3 and only 2 of them are doing the job. This is so awkward. Oh, and what is the commotion over here? What? I know, you guys, you really gotta let it go. It'll be back again next year, I promise. They're really into Halloween. They just can't get over it yet. Anyway, we made it out of there alive, and now I can present to you the 8th wonder of the world. It's so beautiful, so breathtaking. It's the dark side of water! Why is nobody clapping for that? Can you guys hear me? Did you hear me beg for the applause? Thank you, sir. Yeah, I have to say, having you all here on my boat today, it really reminds me a lot of the holidays back at home with my extended family. Nobody's listening to me. No, at least this time I'm not sitting at the kids' table, so that's cool. Anyway, if I'm not mistaken, we're about to enter Santa's workshop. It's pretty cool. Once again, I've never seen a group of people less enthusiastic about going into Santa's workshop, so I guess I was mistaken. Do me a favor, keep your eyes open because you better watch out.